Hello friends, I'm your friend, your trainer, Misc. Today we are going to see miscellaneous operators. First one is size of operator, which returns the size of the data type. Here, size of parenthesis contains A. That A is of integer data type and it returns 4. Ampersand is known as address of operator. The address which is stored in the memory, the address which is stored in hard disk. So ampersand is preceded by a name of a variable which is actually stored in a memory. So address of operator indicates the address of the variable. Pointer is pointing to a variable. Pointer means value stored at the address location inside the variable. Next is conditional expression, in which if the condition is true then value of x will be printed, otherwise value y. We'll see a program on miscellaneous operator. I'm taking standard input-output file from the library and including inside the name. Variable A is declared and defined of integer data type with value 4. Variable B is declared of short data type. Variable C is declared of double data type. Variable ptr is declared of integer data type with a pointer. Means pointer variable ptr is of integer data type. In the first printf, line 1, size of variable A, that is printed on the screen, which prints the size of a variable A, that is a data type of a variable A, will be printed on the screen. The size of data type of A will be printed on the screen. Next, size of data type B will be printed. Size of variable C data type will be printed on the next line. Using ampersand preceded to variable A, I am assigning the address of A to pointer variable ptr. Now ptr holds the value, the address of A. Now in printf we'll say it prints the value of A, and in next ptr it is printing the value which is stored at the address location, which is kept in pointer variable ptr. Now variable A is assigned a value 10. Next is a ternary operator, in which value of A is checked. Is A equals to same as 1, value stored in that, or is the value 20 or 30? So if the value is matching this, the printf will print whatever it might be, the value matching, means the value will be false. And next, A is assigned, is checked with if it is equal to 10, if not then 20 or 30, and respectively it will be printed on the screen. The output of the program will be value of A is 4, pointer variable is 4, value of B is 30, as well as value of B is 20. Friends, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you want to gain more knowledge, keep on watching YouTube channel. Thank you.